Yes, sir. Welcome back to the Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel. Where I show you how to make passive income, find these driving gigs, make your own business, anything to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And I'm back with another banger to help you guys be your own boss, use your own vehicle, or just use the basic skill that you have and your license to make active income, and then you're going to translate that to passive income. So if that's something you like, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by my birthday, September 13th. So let's help me get there. We got about 900 subscribers to go. And today, like I said, I got a great driving company. I want you guys to look out. Check it out, see if it's something you guys want to do. It's a national company, so they're all over the country. So each area shouldn't have any problems finding work with this company. It's called DRAIVER. Look into the website and let's get into it. We're inside the DRAIVER website. I'm going to leave a link down to the description below. It's pronounced DRAIVER, kind of French. But, you're always stealing my tagline, be your own boss. Everybody wants you to be your own boss these days. But basically what this company does, it drives vehicles for companies like car lots, dealerships. When you get your car service, you move your car around. So basically, like I said, if you're working with an auction or a dealership or you need to move your vehicle, this company, finds drivers and help you get your vehicles moved. So what you will be doing is actually moving the vehicles from point A to point B. So how the drivers get paid, fill out the information. Driver is different. Unlike other apps, companies won't work at the whim of the passenger. So you're not driving people around. You're not, driving boxes around. You don't have to meet a certain schedule, but you move, vehicles and SUVs all the way up to box trucks around in the city. Make your own schedule. You don't have to worry about riding with anybody. People riding with you. Sign up very quickly. Has an app-based service, so you'll find the gigs by signing up. You get the alert on the app, just like Uber and everything like that. Great driver support. You get tips. You're home every night. Schedule. If you have to go through any tolls or have to put gas in the car to get to point A to point B, they will reimburse you. You'll see with some of these reviews, driving a lot app. So we got a lot of women doing this. So great for you women who are looking for extra income, looking for side income. Like I said, you don't even have to have a car. You just need a driver's license for this. And, you just need to connect to a place and get there, and then you can start driving. Now, don't have much about pay, so we got to go to Indeed and see what's going on with the pay and get some honest reviews about the company. Said nothing stands out. Work when you want. What's decided at first? Short money for long days. Ooh. No boss under your shoulder. This one got 5. I love this job. So we got mixed reviews on here. Let's see. Salary results. $24 an hour being a delivery driver. It's not bad. Drivers make $24.50 national average. So it definitely depends on what area. Probably in California, New York, you probably get paid a lot more to drive because fuel is, a little bit higher. You have to pay out a little bit more than other states, Midwest and the South. Interview process super easy over the web. Do they drive in groups? Yes, if needed. So equipment is guaranteed to be safe. He's a felon. think that worked out. Drug process test, not so much. So not seeing how much people are actually getting paid, but we do see average of $24 an hour for this position. So like I said, it's not necessarily a courier job, which you guys are used to, but this is something you can use your basic skill of knowing how to drive and your basic driver license, no CDL needed, to start making some money with this app in your own time. So that's what we love here. Be your own boss, make money on your own time, get that dime. So remember, try Driver, leave a link down or leave a comment if you tried this before, and let me know how you like it. Later.